前のビデオで確認しました。Vapormax 2020。初めは気に入らなかった。でも来たらすぐにベストの話でした。私は恋をしてる。しかしよくの皆さんは私の意見を起用しませんでした。起用のビデオはこのトレーナーを引き換えています。いくぞ。So yeah guys, here we are with another pair of Flyknit 2020s. And I know I've been seeing the comments. I've seen them. And I'm not gonna lie, yeah. I wanted to slap the hell out of some of you, innit? But I know it's an internet thing, so let me not even say nothing. Do you know what I mean? I will not say a word. But don't get it twisted. You wouldn't say that to my face if you saw me, trust me. Because you will get it, bro. But anyways, I know you're ready. I'm ready too. But are you ready for real though? That's the true question. Let's open it. And yes, it's a different color pattern. And I'm not gonna lie, you know me, I prefer dark, like black shoes. That's what I said in one of my first sneaker reviews, innit? You know what I'm saying? And you know what? These are the black and grey. And you know what? By looking at them, just by looking at them, you can tell that this is something I likes. I likes this. You know what I'm saying? This is real nice. You know what I'm saying? It looks less like basically it's made out of recycled trash. It's not too colorful, but we like it. You know what I mean? We like it. We like that. You know what I'm saying? It's got the same features. Here it's less. It's not multicolor. It's got stripes. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you remember, but the previous one was like multicolor, very beautiful in my opinion. It was very beautiful as well. But this one is just, you know, it does the job. You get what I'm saying? You know, I love the transparent bit though. I love that. That's one of the things. That's a trademark. You know what I'm saying? Obviously here it's got the same things. Still don't know what this is. Could be a parachute, bruv. That's definitely a parachute, bruv. Yeah. It's got a Nike swoosh here. What else does it have? Yeah, pretty much the same, except when it comes here. Now, look at this. This is art. Look at this though, look at this. Look at this. Do you know one thing I like about this shoe, yeah? It's more subtle. It's got more subtlety. Not taking away anything from the previous Vapormax, like these that I reviewed, 2020s that I reviewed, because they're banged. I don't care what anyone says. But these ones, it's something else. It's something like you wear every day. Do you know what I'm trying to say? That's the type of shoe you can wear it every day. No headache, no brainer. You know what I'm saying? It's still got the thing, and even the thing is that elements in these shoes stand out less because there's less different contrast in colors, if you know what I mean. Whereas the other one, there were so many things that everything was standing out a lot. But these ones, it's more like, you know what I'm saying, it's more smooth. It goes smoothly, you know what I'm saying? Like you see how people go smoothly in the DMs.
It ain't gonna suck itself, baby.
You know what I'm saying? Anyways, what I'm trying to say, guys, is that it's smooth, innit? You know what I'm saying? No need to start any conspiracy theory, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's put them to the test.
Run that back, turbo. Hey, hey, hey.
Okay, so we're about to put them on there. A small step for man, but a step of giant for mankind. Let's do this. Okay. Easy to put on, man. Very easy to put on. Yes, sir. No cap. Nah, these shoes are something else. Trust me, man. These shoes, they come from another planet, bro. The level of comfort is unrivaled. Unrivaled, bro. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I don't know what to tell you. But I can tell you one thing, though. Looking at this, you ever wonder, how the hell am I going to tie the laces? There's no way of tying the laces. You know what I mean? Like, if you want to make it a bit tighter, it's all mad, man. It's all mad. It's all mad. You know what I mean? It's all mad. But except from that, it's comfortable, flexible. You know what I'm saying? You can do some kicks. You know what I'm saying? And it's kind of warm too. Given you pull like fit socks, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? But I don't know if I could wear them in the rain, you know? Nah, I wouldn't wear them in the rain, bruv. Because I feel like I'll feel it. I don't know, one day I'll try it out in the rain. But these ones, in terms of look, this is exactly the color pattern I look for, you know what I'm saying? That's the type of shoes I like. It's flexible. I don't feel too constricted like I'm in the belly of an anaconda. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, all around great shoe. You can wear different outfits. A lot more outfits than the previous one. Because, you know, it's black in it. Black goes with anything, you know what I'm saying? But not everything goes with black. Actually, everything goes with black. Yeah. That's the black power, you get me? What can I say about it? It is what it is, isn't it? Yeah, like, overall, I love it. I love these, man. I love them. But yeah, guys. That's it. We're gonna give it a mark.
Run that back, turbo. Hey.
Alright, pass me the shoes again. Okay. So yeah. Take it all in, bruv. Take it all in. Feels so good. Oh my god.
Everybody just looked at the calendar and circled opening night. But Russ has been progressing through his rehab process.
Take it all in. You're taking it all in. The fresh store and that. Alright. Say no more. Okay. So basically what I think of this shoe, I think pretty much the same. Whereas the only difference is that the color are not striking me as much as the last time. But to overcompensate that, the fact that you can wear it a lot more than the other one and just go unnoticed, but at the same time it looks good, like really, really good. You know what I'm saying? Like on this one, the grey and black one, everything is effortless, whereas the other one, even looking at it is an effort. You know what I'm saying? That doesn't mean that it's not beautiful, because it's my number one, my number uno, bellissimo, very beautiful. You know, but this one is more my style, as in subtlety. Do you know what I mean? Being subtle, stealth, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? Being unnoticed, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so looks are great, comfort is amazing, durability I know is good for fact. I wouldn't wear it too much, too tough in the winter. I could wear it in the winter, but I wouldn't do it too much. You know what I mean? Especially in London, so much rain and everything. And finally, what's the final thing? Yeah, I covered everything. Yeah. So overall, I'll give this shoe, drum rolls please, 9.5. Yes sir, 9.5. Yeah, it's a nice shoe. Black, you can't go wrong with plain black. I'll consider this plain black because there's more black than grey, and even the grey is blended, faded with the dégradé, you know what I'm saying, with the black, you know what I'm saying. So I just call it black, bro. You know what I'm saying? Black don't crack. Once you go black, you never go back. Take it in. Yes sir. Arigatou gozaimasu.